Hey, welcome back to another new class. In that class we're just gonna show you how to make your video background blur. So that's really easy and simple process, and I really give you every single instruction. So if you don't have any knowledge in Premiere Pro, so it will be easier. So don't worry about it. Let's go to the software. So we have these videos in here. A man is talking, but I want to change this background is already to be a blur. So what to do? Then we just go first we go this effects, we go to effects, then in here we search, we get search bar like GAU Gaussian blur. So this selected this Gaussian blur, select this Gaussian blur and take it and throw this your video line, so this place. So it will be selected. Then you go to editing option. So in here when you go editing option, you found a option like that, Gaussian blur. So select this pen, free draw bezier pen. So you click it, just click this line. You just want to be sharp line. That it's a really simple process. It's like pen tools, so you can control it. So in here you say this line is known as handle. You can control it pressing Alt, then you can control it, this handle point. So it I feel it would need to share it. Then you just click and click, select this part area. So if you have any press the Ctrl Z. So this line is auto selected, so you can control your line is also in here like this. So this our line is selected. So you wanna change this, you see this option like this, known as blurriness. You see this blurriness, you just make it blurriness 39. So you see that this blurriness will be work on your face. You see that use it as a blurriness. Then you click this inverted, click the inverted, then you see this magic, this background is a blur, this boom. So when you want to make a more sharper and more professional, then you in here this blurriness, this mask feather, this mask feather option. You can mask feather option can be like 25, and you can choose your own. So this is how you see that when you click this video. So you see that this video is running, this background is almost blur. So this is really pretty simple, and thank you so much guys. Time you have a problem like that, so you have selected in your pen tools, you selected this blurriness option, but when we gone through this part, sometime our main object is a move. So this you see this line is already gone, so some face is moved. So what to do then? So it's a really simple thing, is just click this anchor point. You just wanna fix it. So this how is like this, so you can just fix your point when after design. So that's really simple. And if you have any question and how to do that and how's this processing on, so you can comment down. And thank you. Please subscribe, and if you want to learn Adobe Illustrator and all the software, so from beginner, so in my channel you get all the courses in free. So please subscribe and visit my channel. Thank you so much.